Christ. About other children.
Why is an African American not your family?
An African American could never be part of my family in the sense that he's not part of this extended family that is a race that have evolved over tens of thousands of years.
That's coming up in about half an hour's time. But first, to Syria, and the first comments from President Assad after an especially dark week in a war that's been unremittingly grim. A week that began with an attack.
Take the exit on the right to Virginia 76 toward
XH557.
The Stanley Cup qualifiers, and you can hear every second of the action on Sirius XM. 24 teams have gathered in 2 cities, all with one goal: hoisting the most cherished trophy in sports. The St. Louis Blues have the director of coffee for his company, Cafe Altura. We would Recruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/.
Whoa! Oh, God.
What the light?
He has a right over there.
The light right there, like, no. But he has the cross light. No, the man had the cross one. And turning through an intersection, you must use for pedestrians.
He immediately recognized that this was a kind of crash these otherwise safe cars just hadn't been designed to withstand, which, to Matt, was an opportunity.
We can probably do something about it.
Designing a new crash test. A test IHS has been doing since 2012.
People to hit you, you know, like can do all kind of stuff and they're not very educated people.
It's fly. Yeah, it's not good.
That was scary.
To speak for the church, but I'll do all I can within the church to eliminate that last vestige of racial discrimination.
By November 2nd, there's more coverage of this report, and church.
You're on camera, dude!
Sunday before the election, to hold a meeting. Hugh Carter, cousin of Jimmy Carter, is one of the deacons. He's also
6 Tango.